With a profound sense of responsibility
with a profound sense of responsibility
and with the assistance of the divine providence,
and with the assistance of divine presidents.
I do hereby solemnly pledge my loyalty
I do hereby solemnly pledge my loyalty
to the Isabela State University,
to the Isabela State University,
to be ever careful with my words and deeds,
to be ever careful with my words and deeds,
so as to uphold its name and glory,
so as to uphold its name and glory,
and to be faithful to its values and mission,
and to be faithful to its values and mission,
its high hopes and noble aspirations,
its high hopes and noble aspirations,
for the dignity of my profession,
for the dignity of my professions,
and for the honor of my alma mater and my country.
and for the